Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque tech spec, finished in beautiful Forensic red. It's got the front park distance control, it's a facelift model, got the gloss black alloy wheels, gloss black mirror caps, got privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Really is an absolutely superb condition. Gleaming. Rear boot area is in lovely condition with the parcel shelf. Full leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Got multifunction steering wheel. It's done 53,137 miles. Satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats. Climate control air conditioning. 6-speed gearbox. USBs. Satellite navigation. Cruise control. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.